Good evening. Our project title is Fake Job Recruitment Detection Using Machine Learning. This is presented by myself, M. Rajesh Reddy, N. Kalyan, and P. Srinath Reddy, under the guidance of Mr. K. Suresh. Now, coming to the abstract of the project, to avoid fraudulent posts for jobs on internet, an automated tool using machine learning based classification techniques are proposed in this project. Different classifiers are used for checking fraudulent posts in the web, and the result of these classifiers are compared for identifying the best employment scam detection model. So this model helps in detecting fake jobs posts from an enormous number of posts. This project's two major types of classifiers, such as single classifier and ensemble classifiers, are considered for fraudulent job post detection. So, however, experiment results indicates that ensemble classifiers are the best classification to detect scams over the single classifiers. Now, coming to the introduction, nowadays there are a lot of job scams because of unemployment. There are a lot of websites that connect a recruiter to a suitable candidate, sometimes fake job posts on a job portal with a motive to get money. These problems occur with many job portals. Later, people shift to a new portal in search of a real job, but the fake recruiters join this portal as well. Hence, in today's world, it is important to detect the real job and fake jobs. Identifying the fake jobs manually is difficult and almost impossible. Hence, we can apply machine learning to train a module for fake job classification. It can be trained using data of previous real and fake job advertisements so that it can identify a fake job accurately. In this project, we firstly pre-process the raw data by tokenizing and removing the stop words. This pre-processed data will be later be used to extract features using techniques like term frequency and the inverse document frequency. To train the model, we use a classification algorithm. Now, coming to the existing system, in this system, we train the machine learning classifiers on employment scam agent dataset to identify fake job advertisement. First, we will visualize the insights from the fake and real job advertisement, and then we will use the super vector classifier in this task, which will predict the real and fraudulent class labels for the job advertisement after successful training. Finally, we will evaluate the performance of our classifiers using several evaluation metrics. So the drawbacks of the exit systems are, so SVM, support vector machine algorithm, is not suitable for large data sets, and SVM does not perform very well when the data sets has more noise. That is, target classes are overlapping. In this case, where the number of features of data which data points exceeds the number of training examples, the SVM will underperform.
I'm Srinath Reddy. I'm going to explain proposed system. The target of this study is to detect whether a job post is fraudulent or not. Identifying and eliminating these fake jobs advertisements will help the job seeker to concentrate on legitimate jobs post only. In this context, a dataset from Kaggle 13 is employed that provides information regarding job that may or may not be suspicious. So proposed system advantages. It reduces overfitting in decision tree and helps to improve the accuracy. It is flexible to both classification and regression problems. It works well with both categorical and continuous values. It automates missing values present in the data. Normalizing of data is not required as it uses a rule-based approach. So the dataset. Here the dataset used in this project is the employment scam again dataset, which is provided publicly by the University of Again Laboratory of Information and Communication System Security. This dataset contains 17,880 real-time job postings, in which 17,014 are real and 866 are fake. This dataset is further processed and uploaded on the Kaggle website and is available publicly to everyone. So block diagram. Here the dataset is divided into training dataset and testing dataset. Training dataset is further pre-processed. In pre-processing, tokenizing, stemming and removing stop words has been done. Further, the data is future extracted. So the testing data here classifies whether the job is fake or not. Verifying job authenticity due to numerous scams and fake posting because of unemployment. So because of unemployment, people may not be able to get information about fake job or real job. From here onwards, Kalyan will continue.
Hi, my name is Kalyan. I am going to explain the algorithms we are that using in this project. So here we are taking the random forest algorithm. The random forest algorithm creates decision trees on data samples and gets prediction from each of them, and finally select the best solution by means of averaging. It is a supervised machine learning. So here we can see that the diagram output variable y is dependent on the input variable x. So here the data set will be classified in different classifications. Generally, it is known as decision tree, and decision tree 1, decision 2, so on the n number of decision trees. And result will be taken individually, and averaging will be done. So final result will be obtained. For example, here we are taking a buying a house. So in locality, if the condition is yes, the price of the house is, and if the no, then don't buy. If the price of the house is less than $10,000, then facilities will be available. Otherwise, don't buy. Support vector machine. Support vector machine is more commonly used in the classification problems. It is based on the idea of finding hyperplane and best divides the dataset into two classes. It is also a supervised machine learning algorithm. So in this diagram, green dots and red dots are the different classes. So here the B line is the hyperplane, which divides which best divides both classes perfectly. Software requirements. We are using the Python language and libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Spacy, and Silent. Conclusion. Employment scam detection will guide job seekers to get only legitimate offers from companies. For tackling employment scam detection, several machine learning algorithms are proposed as countermeasures in this project. Supervised mechanism is used to exemplify the use of several classifiers for employment scam detection. Experimental results indicate that random forest classifier outperforms over its peer classification tool. The proposed approach achieved accuracy of 97.27%, which is much higher than the existing methods. So here are the reference of our project. Thank you.